Love you guys. I'll see you later, kuya. Bye. Love you. Breakfast na silang dalawa. Cereal muna dahil nagmamadali tayo dahil yung friend ko magsusundo sa akin dito ng 7:30. So, ayan. Hi guys, good morning.
Morning.
Oh, you wanna say hi?
Hi.
She's been wanting na made ng heart. You've been wanting to make some heart? Sissy, like this. Oh, look at that. So, yung friend ko, susunduin niya ako dito. Dahil magkaklase si Chad tsaka yung friend ko. Yung lagi namin kasama sa park. And tatlo kami. So, pipick upin nila ako ng 7:30 dito sa bahay. And para isang sasakyan na lang kami at hindi na kami maghiwa-hiwalay. Kasi isang... Huh? You wanna make a heart? Like this.
Oh, good boy.
That's so cute. Yay!
Boy.
So yun, kaya susunduin na isang sasakyan na lang kami. And itong dalawa na to maiiwan sila sa lola nila. Kaya maaga ko din silang ginising kasi para makakain sila ng breakfast, and then about 7:15 punta na kami sa bahay ng lola nila para ma-drop off ko na sila. So very busy tayo this week talaga. Sobrang busy tayo this week. I'm still tired from yung Saturday na ginawa ko. And then nagreklamo ako sa asawa ko na sobrang pagkagising ko nung Sunday. Oh my gosh, talaga ang sakit ng katawan ko. Yung legs ko, as in talaga ang sakit ng katawan ko. Kaya medyo talaga ang sakit talaga ng katawan ko. Kaya sabi ng asawa ko, well, sabi niya ganun, huwag mong i-overdo yung sarili mo na huwag gawin lahat sabay-sabay. Yung ganun. Gusto ko kasi na wala akong gagawin sa Mother's Day, but na-end up na I still did something na nag-cook ako, naghugas and everything. So, yeah. Huh? There.
That flower.
Which one? This one? You can't see?
I'm blocking my view.
It's blocking your show. Hindi ko pa kasi nasikasi yung mga flowers. So, dito ba yung mga flowers? Nakakalat sa tayo. Mahal. So, as in, hindi ko talaga nalinisan tong kitchen nung naglinilas ako ng Friday. But, wala silang pasok tomorrow dahil election day tomorrow, Tuesday. So, happy Monday. Say happy Monday.
Happy Monday. Happy Monday.
Okay, hurry up and eat your cereal so you can go brush your teeth, okay? And then we go to Mama's.
Yeah.
Hindi ko na sila papalitan ng damit kasi gusto nila magpajama. Ayaw nila magpalit. So, but anyways, magre-ready na muna ako habang kumakain sila ng breakfast, and then, yeah, start our busy day. So, ayan na guys. Hatid na natin sila sa lola nila. And then,
Down there.
yeah. Go this way. This way, sissy. This way. Man, it is cold. Cold, pero tingnan mo naman itong isa naka-short.
Where are you going?
I have to go to Kuya's field trip. Go. Walk. Nala. Ito si Nala, guys. Na dito na talaga siya sa labas. Hindi na namin siya pinapapasok kasi wala na. Nagpagulong-gulong na siya sa labas. Hala, yung puti nating sapatos nadumihan na. Oh, putting shoes pa more. Yeah, I know. Go, hurry up. It's cold.
Mommy. I wanna jump.
So guys, andito na kami. Ayan. Sa Exhibition Coal Mine. So ayan guys, andito na kami. What is it?
They have an expedition.
Yeah.
Mine tower.
Yeah.
A tour. A youth system, which is just.
Look at the honeybee. Look at the bee. A pure local honeybee. Honey.
Our love of bees.
Yeah. So ito siya guys. Dito kami sa taas. Sa upstairs. Look at that. Uy, kalabaw. May bata. Oh, what is it? What is that? Yeah. So, ikot-ikot muna kami dito. Okay, let's go, let's go.
I'm going to be a tour guide. I've worked underground 43 years. Safety rules, don't raise your hands, touch the roof, don't put your hands on the rails. There's places where there's about that much clearance from the rail to the door. No smoking underground, don't smoke. Alright? So no standing up unless I carry this one stop. Now will you both?
Let's go.
We're going on an underground trip. Jax. Why does the sound effects are so loud? Jax. Why is the sound effect so loud? The sound effect is so loud. It is so loud.
Let's go.
Angela, let me know if you need to coach.
I'm burning up. I'm good right now.
That is freaking me out.
So, dito tayo sa underground. Oh my word!
Ooh, a 2-ton car. Does anyone smell that sound? Smell that sound?
They all had to carry cars out of it. If they were lucky, this light would last about 4 hours. Now what's going to happen if it hits a pocket of methane?
It's gonna just.
All right. Y'all heard of that country singer Brad Paisley?
Yeah. No.
He shot a video right there where my light's at, that underground video he's got. That's where they filmed it. Right there.
What's up, bro? Yeah, Jax. No, it's like that. I didn't know that.
Backwards tayo, backwards. Backwards.
Imagine someone comes running.
Reverse. Hi, Chad.
Chad.
Chad. Bingy yard. Hi.
The old-fashioned drill. You'll sing that right now. That's a record that started playing and quickly.
Guys, tignan nyo. Oh my gosh, kumakain siya ng... What is it eating?
I'm sure acorn or something. I know, but you know the kids. Oh yeah, you hear the crunch. They're excited to be out in the world. Here.
Look at that.
Do you come? Do you come? Do you come? He's like, I know you got something.
Give me something.
He's like, you can or there's something I can.
Oh, look at that.
That's easy.
Lunchtime, guys.
Guys, does any students not have your lunch yet?
Everybody get a lunch.
So, hi guys! Nakauwi na ako. And now, pipick upin na natin sila.
It's pick-up day!
It's pick up time.
It's pick-up time!
Yeah. So, nakauwi ako ng around 1:45. Yeah, we're gonna go pick up the kids.
We're going to pick up the boys.
The boys. Kuya.
We're going to pick up the boys.
So, nakauwi ako ng 1:45, mga ganyang oras, or 1:50, ewan nga mga
I
ganon.
got a snack.
Ang gulo naman na ito, nagbablog ako. So, yun. So, napagod ako kaya hindi na pagka uwi ko, sinundo ko sila, tapos nagpahinga lang ng saglit, ayun, tapos pick up time na. So, yeah. So, yung pinuntahan namin today, it's gonna be Caleb's field trip also. So, hindi ako masyadong nag-vlog nung field trip ni ito nga kay Chad kasi alam ko naman nababalik ako ulit dito sa field trip ni Caleb sa 29. So, kaya hindi na ako masyadong nag-vlog. At saka nahihiya ako mag-vlog dahil ang daming tao. At saka, syempre, dito kasi sa Amerika na hindi yung basta-basta nagbi-video ka lang, kailangan merong permission. So, especially kapag involved is mga bata. So, kailangan meron kang permission na mag-video. So, kaya wala akong masyadong video. Doon lang sa underground. Doon lang ako nakapag masyado ng video. What? You okay? Okay. So, I am so tired. As in, nakakapagod. And then, tomorrow, it's election day. Tuesday, wala silang school. So, sabi ng asawa ko is magkakat daw kami ng grass again tomorrow. So, I am so tired. Hi, Joy. So, I'm really tired. Like,
I can't get. Hi.
yeah. What do you want to eat for dinner?
Nanya?
Anong nanya? Nanya ka na naman ah.
How about eating that yet?
Kahit yung ano, yung nagla-lunch si Chad, hindi ko masyadong na video kasi nga ang daming mga parents din. Yeah, may sugat ka dyan, no?
Chad, you take my boo-boo off.
Yeah, you got boo-boo in there. Oh. Diyan na sila, kuya. Oh my gosh, ang aga ng bus. 2:45.
The kids are on the bus. Go up and down. Up and down. The kids on the bus. Go up and down. Mommy, what?
Hi.
Hi.
What's the matter?
Up and
Why you look so sad?
Cause Colin said he couldn't be in the back, but Mike said I could. The kids are
Okay.
it was about up and earlier when we were still at
Really?
at the coal mines.
Are you still sad about that?
Mhm.
Just because of that, you're gonna ruin your day. Really?
Wait, did Kay come? Did you come?
Yes, I did. Meron kasi diay gusto na pwede nilang hawakan or something. And then, hindi siya nakapag-chance na hawakan. So, he ruins his day. So, hindi na siya naging masaya, hindi na siya ano. So until now, he's still sad. So,
Can you do the song your day?
so guys, I'm gonna end the vlog na. Oh my gosh, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog simula nung umuwi kami yung pagsundo ko sa dalawang bata sa bus stop. Nakatulog ako and sobra talaga yung pagod ko. So, yeah. So, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog natin today. And I will see you guys again on the next video. Good night guys. Thank you for watching. Patutulog na ako dahil sobrang pagod ako and inaantok na talaga ako ng bongga-bongga kahit nakatulog ako kaganina. Pero, yeah. So, yeah, inaantok na ako. So, good night guys.